Not sure whether your Samsung Galaxy phone uses a Snapdragon or Exynos processor? In this guide, I'll show you two simple methods to identify your phone's chipset in 2026. Method 1. Check your processor using GSMArena. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Here, you'll find important information about your device, including the model number. Make a note of the model number or remember your device name. Next, open your preferred web browser and visit GSMArena. Use the search bar to find your Samsung phone by entering the model number or device name. Open the specifications page for your device. Scroll through the specifications until you find the chipset section. This section clearly lists the processor used in your phone. If it says Snapdragon, your device uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. If it says Exynos, then your phone is powered by Samsung's Exynos processor. This method is useful because some Samsung Galaxy models are sold with different processors in different regions. Checking the exact model number helps you confirm which version you own. Method 2. Use a device information app. Another easy way to identify your processor is by using a device information application. Open the Google Play Store and search for a trusted app such as Device Info, Device Info HW, or a similar hardware information tool. Download and install the app. Once installed, launch the application and navigate to the CPU or hardware section. The app will display detailed information about your phone's chipset, CPU, GPU, and other hardware components. For example, if the chipset section shows Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, then your Samsung Galaxy phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor. This method provides direct hardware information from your device, making it one of the fastest ways to verify your processor. That's how you can quickly check whether your Samsung Galaxy phone uses a Snapdragon or Exynos processor in 2026. Thanks for watching.